guys, welcome back to the channel. Do I have a fun unboxing video for you today? Well, I technically don't have an unboxing video. Somebody else has an unboxing video for you today. But we are going to unbox the Skycruiser metal detector. Yes, this is the second metal detector we've had on this channel. And we're going to unbox it, put it together, and give you an honest review. The only kicker here is this is actually a kid's metal detector. So I'm going to have my kids unbox it, put it together, and show you how it works. So, with that being said, let's get into this unboxing.
Okay, so guys, this is the Skycruiser metal detector. It is the kids one, so it is kid-proof. It's not like the adult one, so we're going to see how it works, and we're going to tell you everything about it.
And we're not 100% sure how kid-proof it is, but they're going to open it up and show you everything about it. So here we go. They're going to unbox it.
So there is like this instruction thing. It's like how to use it and like special notes about it, as you can see what's in that. And what's it about.
And then they have a nice bag, like the other one did, that you can store it in. So when you do go out, you can use this bag. It looks like it's a backpack. So
that's actually nice.
That's pretty cool. This is really nice.
I see something that they actually put in this one that the last one didn't.
Next thing we got this shovel.
Oh, you even got a little shovel too.
And we got batteries.
Look at this, guys. So the last metal detector that we had did not come with batteries. This one does. That's a key.
I love batteries.
Piece.
Okay. So what we also have is this
rake.
really nice rake.
Is it metal or plastic?
Plastic,
That's
but it feels
plastic.
like
It's actually nice
like
with a rubber.
kind of.
Actually has like a rubber thumb guard here.
Yeah,
That's actually really nice.
Do you get a shovel?
I got a metal shovel on the other one.
And then they have the top part of it. This is kind of like the seafoam green part of it. And
Like
this is...
It's almost like turquoise.
Yeah.
So it has the on button. What's the other button?
The light button and then the disc button. And then on the back, it's really easy where you can open it up and put the batteries in. So this is very simple. There's only one more part left to it. So this is very kid-proof.
Okay, so this is the most important part about it. It's the metal detector.
That's actually pretty cool. I mean, it's a perfect...
I love this color too.
It
is a
has
nice
the
color.
bottom. It is very nice. It has the locking part here. And let's try to put it together.
Okay, guys, so I was able to get that back together. There is the metal detector. The height adjusts a little bit, but not too much. I'd say it's almost 3 feet tall. Pretty cool, but she's going to show you how to put the batteries in, and we're going to turn it on and see if it works.
Okay, so we have this little thing down here. It's easier for kids to get in. And obviously, it's easier to come in with the batteries. Yes. And so you just, it's basically like any other thing that you would put batteries in. Open it up. And then there's a place where you can see where you put them, like how to put them.
Let me hold it and put them in, because I can't put them in.
Because I can't see. Let me see. Yeah, so it shows where you can put them in, how to put them in, which way to put them in. So this thing is very self-explanatory about almost everything, because
I think this is kid-proof.
this is very easy to put together too.
Let me try.
Okay.
There we go.
I'm gonna
So
try.
like if we were out, we would go like,
Stand up.
okay. We're turning it on.
It turns on. So this is what it turns on here. So it shows you where you can kind of find. So you press that and this turns on the light here.
And that's the on and off.
Here, bring over the bag and put the bag down to see if it picks it up. Put it down.
Wait, let's see what we can maybe find. Something that's metal.
That's my water bottle. It's gonna eat it.
Is it kind of doing anything?
No, it's not.
That's my water
I
bottle.
don't know if we're doing something wrong or what. Okay, guys, so after some fidgeting around, we realized why it was not detecting anything. We did not have the part that clips together in there all the way in, so it was not picking anything up. So once we adjusted that, it worked perfectly. Kids took it out to our backyard, dug on the hillside, found some cool trash, basically stuff that was just buried in our hillside, some metal, some stuff like that. But you can also set this to find coins and other valuable things. So once we head to the beach this year, we are going to take it, try it out, and we'll post an updated video with it actually out somewhere where we can actually metal detect. So hopefully you enjoyed that video. Remember, check the links down below if you're interested in this metal detector, and have a great day. See you later. Bye.